one of my contributions to what I thought was social justice was integrating the sales force for Johnson & Johnson. They were all Scotch-Irish, but their sons were graduating from law school. And they didn't want to schlep a bag in the inner city of Philadelphia and call on druggists, mom and pop drugstores. And so they turned the problem over to me. And I said, I'll recruit a new immigration. We need people who speak English. I said, they all speak English. They were born here. But they're black. Who else would you send to the inner city of Philadelphia? Our druggists won't like it. I said, forgive me. Your druggists are my people, not yours. They will have three attitudes about it. One group will say, "C'est schön Zeit. It's about time." And they will think well of you for having taken this step. Another group, unfortunately, is accustomed to the Schwarzer helping out. And so when they start cleaning the windows, they would be accustomed to it. And the third group wouldn't notice. You got it done? I'll sign here, and it was finished. It was wonderful, but every meeting began with racist jokes. And I had to brief my candidates that this would be the environment in which they found themselves. Every board meeting that I attended began with anti-Semitic jokes. Two Jews got on a trolley car. It took years for me to learn how to deal with that. I would stop the speaker and say, before you continue, does anyone here have a recorder? Because we could get sued. They could take legal action against us. I was part of the band, part of the group. I was defending them. And so they would stop doing that. And I felt I had made a major, also they told them terribly. I can tell good jokes about two Jews got on a trolley car. They couldn't do the accent. They couldn't do the punchline. They didn't understand the lilt of the language. How could they? They're from where they came.